Hello everybody and welcome back to WizzardSammy. Today I want to show you how you can use TypeScript in your Contact Form 7 plugin for WordPress. So let's get started. At first thing we want to do, we want to install the Contact Form 7 plugin. So we go right in WordPress into our plugins menu and search for the plugin Contact Form 7. So we hit enter and it's just loading, and we see here the plugin Contact Form. We want to install it now. This might just take a few seconds. Here we go, and we want to activate that plugin. After we activated this plugin, so now it's activated, we can just jump into the new icon contact and add a new contact form. So this is our new contact form from the Contact Form 7 plugin we've created. We enter a title here called new contact form just for the video, and we save this. After we save it, we get the message from the shortcode that is the contact form -7, a contact -form -7 with the ID 140. We want to copy that, and I've already opened a new test page with a shortcode building block where we copy and paste the code into it. Click publish, and the page is published, so we can view the page. So now we can see here our test page with our Contact Form 7 fields: your name, your email, your subject, your message, and the send button. Okay, we switch back to our Contact Form 7 editor. Here we are, and today's topic is how we can insert JavaScript into our Contact Form 7. Now, the method is pretty simple. If you're familiar with JavaScript and HTML, you already know how to open a new script form. So you open the tag, say script to it, name the type equals text / JavaScript. Okay, another tag closed, and also after that we wanna close the script tag. There you go, that's just everything for it. Within that script tag you can put whatever Java code you want. Contact Form 7 is supporting it. For example, if you wanna say document point get element element by ID, and we say the ID is your name, and you can access whatever function you want in that element or within every JavaScript functionality. You got it here right in your Contact Form 7 form. So, if you liked that video, please hit the like and subscribe button down in the video description, and we see us next time. Goodbye everybody.